Innovation leads global service. In May 2012, a shining star rose in Xinjie, Jiangxi Province. Jiangxi Xinjie Technology Development Co., Limited, over 80 acres of land area, witnessed the transformation of this enterprise built up from nothing. In recent years, Xinjie Technology has risen at an alarming rate, and now, our magnificent picture is not yet finished. Challenges and opportunities coexist. The new second phase of the project is in full swing. To meet growing customer demand, Xinjie Technology specializes in the adhesive products industry. Research and development, production, and sales as one is a high-tech enterprise. Our main products are beautiful paper tape, and paper tape, micron paper tape, etc., which are widely used in decoration, electronics, industry, shoes, automobiles, ships, and other fields. Innovation leading, quality assurance. We have independent research and development capabilities, well-equipped laboratory facilities, obtained 15 patents for inventions, and won the High-Tech Enterprise Science and Technology Innovation Award, and other honors. Since its establishment, we are adhering to the business philosophy of the pursuit of excellence, innovation, and integrity. Customer demand-oriented, to provide customers with quality products and satisfactory service. Strategic layout, comprehensive service. Technology is moving society forward at an unprecedented pace. With the power of science and technology, Xinjie achieves more possibilities for the path of innovation. Since 2020, the company has invested more than 30 million yuan to introduce intelligent automated production equipment. Two impregnated silicon-coated lines are available, four coating lines, and over 40 sets of equipment, simultaneous mass production for different needs, daily production of up to 900,000 square meters. Significantly increased productivity. At the same time, pay close attention to product quality, from incoming raw materials to production quality control. Finished products are warehoused with industry-standardized testing. Now through the CTI product quality testing, ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certification, and ISO 14001 Environmental Management System Certification. Enterprise implementation of ERP information management, strict implementation of standardized control, each process interlinked, well documented. Striving for excellence to meet diversified customer needs. It's the company's original intention. Xinjie Technology has a fine production process, continuous breakthrough in technology, able to provide product diversification and customization, also available in a variety of colors. Our products have high temperature resistance, solvent resistance, and good serviceability. No residual adhesive left after tearing. Widely acclaimed by customers. Connecting the world, winning the future. To better serve our customers, we have offices in Jiangsu and Dongguan. Products not only sell well in domestic, exported to Russia, Southeast Asia, Europe, and the United States, the Middle East and Africa, and other countries and regions. Through the Alibaba International e-commerce platform, combined with local and international exhibitions, multi-channel online and offline, highly connected to every corner of the world. We are consistent and mutually beneficial. We look forward to working with you to create a better future.